guys, and thanks for joining me again. In the video today we met up with a beekeeper or a honey farmer. We had an interview and we learned the process of producing honey. Very interesting vlog. I hope you all enjoy it. Check out the intro. I do not have a crazy story to tell, like I dropped out of college or I quit my job and traveled the world. I am just a normal person with passions I am willing to pursue. Follow me on my journey as I show you what I accomplish. I am Alex, and this is Elite Jamaica.
Trevor just gets sting, bees lick him. You want to see me a box bees out of me head? Wrong thing me I do. Yeah man. So when name Elder?
Minot.
Minot. Alright. Type Minot, type Mr. Minot in the comment section below, people. Respect to Mr. Minot for helping us out to find that grave. You know, as we just heard about it just now, we hear about a cemetery but we never hear about the grave. We wouldn't have found it, peeps, and we wouldn't have found the settlement over there if it wasn't for sugar. Alright, so what's your name, Rasta?
I don't call me Suku, you know, but
Suku.
Babsy, my name.
Babsy.
Yeah.
Alright, big up to Babsy. Yeah man, blessings man. Is it?
Let me give you a chanting from this program today.
Yes man.
Well, the prayer year of all the hard working people and mostly the farmer, because you know farmer have it real hard in a job.
Really hard.
So this is a prayer to all the farmers. Jah, the God of Yahweh. Lord, thou hast been favorable unto thy land. Thou hast brought back the captivity of Jacob. Thou hast forgiven the iniquity of thy people. Thou hast covered all their sin. Selah. Thou hast taken away thy rod. Thou hast turned thyself from the fierceness of thy anger. Turn us, O God of our salvation, and cast thy anger towards us to cease. Wilt thou be hungry with us forever? Wilt thou not draw out thy hunger to all generations? Wilt thou not revive us again, that thy people may rejoice in thee? Show us thy mercy, O Lord, and grant us thy salvation. I will hear what the Lord will speak, for he will speak peace unto his people and to his saints. But let them not turn again to folly. Surely his salvation is near them that fear him, that glory may dwell in our land. Mercy and truth are met together. Righteousness and peace have kissed each other. Truth shall spring out of the earth, and righteousness shall look down from heaven. Yea, the Lord shall give which is good, and our land shall yield her increase. Righteousness shall go before him, and shall set us in the way of his step. Selah.
Selah. Which Psalms that?
85.
85. Not find the Psalms there. Yeah peeps, so this is Mr. Minot farm. Big farm in Aguan. Round in the place. You have to bless up the farmer them, because of them make we eat food. Support Mr. Minot. And if you have a phone number and you're willing to share it online, you can just share it online now. So you know persons can call you.
Yeah, my number is 416-76-58.
416-76-58. I'm gonna write it on the screen also.
Yeah, and I believe in organic farming, so it's organic farming that I do, you know. So I raise beef,
Yeah man, see them on the shelf.
goat, you know, some chicken, and the rest produce, you know, banana, plantain and stuff like that. And I do natural juice, like cane juice.
Cane juice and everything, papaya and
yeah.
Okay. So bless up, you know, Mr. Minot.
Yeah,
and thank you again, you know.
Yeah man,
see it?
Every time.
Yeah man. You hear about the video them do?
No.
Cause we got Copper Hole and we got boat in St. Thomas and all, Spring Garden, Belvedere, the whole of them side there, you know.
So what channel you?
Elite Jamaica, that's the name of the channel, on YouTube.
Oh, Elite.
So yeah man, ELITE Jamaica. And it really take good motivation to really come up in the hills like up as to come farm. You know?
Yeah. So we do the natural juice, spirulina, cane juice.
Do a spirulina and them thing there?
Yeah man, with the cane juice. Natural juice about the place man way. are going with good health, you know.
True.
Hush on the whole of them, you know.
Yeah, man, Suki, man. Big up to Suki, you know, man. Is it anybody you want to shout out?
You got the hell of brother, you know.
Alright, where I'm located?
Yeah, in gone over in bush there still.
Oh, I'm
Up
down over in
until
bush.
there, you know.
Okay. You nobody overseas where you want big up?
Big up Patrick over foreign there.
Alright.
Lisi, Nadine, Dorian, and some husband. Yeah, big them up, you know.
Alright. Bless up, man.
Yeah,
Bees them there?
yeah, the only free man.
Hey, me have a video where I do over Mount Tide and the peeps. You remember that video there? Like me I walk up because I know I find the building, so I step up for the worst them back me up, you know. Okay. Yeah, peeps, this is honey. The honey cone. And them thing my grandfather saying usual roll and just suck out the honey outside. Okay. Bees in there now?
No, just these are just the honey.
Well, no, once them in a box, me good enough.
So these now are where we have extract out, you know, fan out of
Okay.
the cone and then, you know, get the liquid.
Okay.
So we harvest them, you know.
Would I like to come here interview like the whole process,
Yeah.
harvesting the honey. We can make a deal and come do that, you know.
Yeah, man,
Because
you
we think that would be really good for your business too, is it?
Yeah. Because so far, you know, I run it through Bureau Standard. You know, and as I say, you know, I promote organic
farming.
And the bees, then we no sugar feed, we just, you know, naturally.
Natural.
Yeah.
Same as them would I eat, just pollen.
Right.
Yeah.
So the brand of my honey and juice are top notch.
Top notch.
Yeah, top notch.
Alright. So peeps, and remember that, you know, top notch. Mr. Minot, and his number is going to be on screen. I'm going to put it on screen again. Repeat your number one more time. Just for who never did I watch at the time.
416 76 58.
416 76 58. Alright. Yeah, man. That's for Mr. Minot. And Suki have a phone number?
Yeah, man.
Where the people can get Suki phone number too?
35 3 42 31.
353 42 31.
Yeah.
Peeps, I'm going to be putting that number on screen also. Alright. So, Trevor mash a piece of cane, you know, man. I want the sweet.
Yes, man, that's sweet, man. Sweet.
Alright.
This is it.
So peeps, Mr. Minot sell cane juice, every kind of juice. It's organic farming that he does, so you know, say him do goat, him do chicken, all of them things there. And the honey. I'm really scared of the bees still, but I really admire somebody who really can deal with bees. You know? Yeah, man. Yeah. So, peeps, give thanks again for y'all being here. Beautiful view over there.
Yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna do the juice, so you will get it. Because I do it the other day, you know, but what happened? Current went out, so it melt down, so I never get the chance to bring it. Yeah, because tomorrow I'm gonna do it, so I think about Thursday you're good to go. And I'm gonna have some chicken ready pretty soon.
Yeah, man, respect, man.
Yeah.
Camera.
I think I'm gonna do some Thursday. So yeah, Friday, Saturday. Friday and holiday. Well, Saturday.
See tractor information.
Yeah, I will bring it. I guess you have to buy a bigger freezer, you know. Oh, okay. So pretty soon you should move up. Well, I'm at the farm, so maybe the location.
Look at this.
Yeah.
Now set up the snowman here, don't you?
Alright, no problem.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Alright, now rest it, yes. You're not going to step on it.
No, man.
You can't.
What do you want me to go in at the beeswax? All you do you stand for.
We have a in there.
Eh?
We have beeswax.
Yeah, man, we're going there.
Okay.
So it's on there now? Okay.
Okay, sweet. But this I like them partial. We have to highlight center.
Yeah, man, we have to do what we have to do, you know. A long time I wait for something like this, you know. Send me your one. God, these are bad like.
Them not come over here, sir.
No, it's not easy, but you can see. Yeah, so this one is the frame. So this one having honey. And young one, and it having some food, you know, that they use to feed the baby one. Well, we call it pollen.
Pollen.
Yeah,
Okay.
pollen. So this one is the shallow. They call this the shallow super. So this one is 2 bucks. You have a big box at the bottom and then the small one at the top. What happened, the small one, the bees them have a better chance of producing the honey more quicker.
Okay.
Because it's the frame. It's a smaller frame.
Smaller frame. Okay,
Right.
so.
So this one is the big frame.
Okay. Peeps, you see that? Them a come over the side there, no?
Yeah.
Them not go bite me.
No, just not fun them.
Okay.
Alright. Don't fun. If them a come towards you, you just move. Just go reverse.
So a bees that?
And as what I say, you know.
Just bees that, no?
Yeah?
A bees that?
Yeah.
Whole heap of bees that?
Yeah.
Enough, man. Oh, so then go back in by themselves?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, them enter from here.
Okay, okay.
Alright. So just reverse now.
That's serious business, you know, with bees, you know.
Yeah, man. I have up to 70, 70 bucks, but every weather I lose about 20.
Okay, that's a whole heap to lose.
So I have some down the bottom there. I have an next portion, maybe about 7 different places on the property may have them, you know. Because don't fun, just reverse. You just spread them out, you know.
Okay. Because when I really check 70 boxes now, you need a lot of boxes to really
Yeah,
get
man,
honey for honey.
because there's some empty box there, and you know, as what me say, the every rain cause them to, like the red ants take over, duck ants and all of that. So you lose a lot of them during
Yeah, because bees fight with ants too, you know.
yeah,
Ants
red
are one of
ants.
them biggest enemy.
Yeah, red ants mostly and duck ants.
See a documentary like that.
Right. You know, so the best you can do in the weather,
Get them
yeah,
inside.
to keep away the red ants, you know.
Okay.
So right now, what we are doing now is clean up and organize them back, because the season start now till like March, April go down, you know. So we're supposed to harvest honey, but we're not gonna harvest a lot because the production drop. So like each box now, like if me going at this box now, and like you have 10 frame with honey, you know, like me take like 3.
How much buckle of frame gear?
Huh?
How much buckle of frame can give?
Alright, the bottom box, if you have 10 frame, that's a 5 gallon. Right? The small box up the top there, if you get 10 of those frame seal, you get about 4.5 gallon.
Okay.
You know, but like when you go in the box and you see the baby bee and the laying and the honey, you know, like most man that say, well, they want the honey, but what me do now, me leave it, because when me put it in the extractor, the egg and the baby one them come out, you understand, out of the cell. So what me do now, me just take honey and take it, as I may show you, those that seal, we call it ripe.
Oh,
the
so
honey ripe.
You see if the baby one them.
Right. And then you reap the ripe
The one
honey.
mature.
Right. Because when you reap it ripe,
You're gonna kill off your business, that's all.
right, and then now when you put it in the buckle, it ferment, and then it have a runny. When you pour it out, it's just, yeah, because it's not right.
White and white.
Right, so it's not in a process so good, you know?
Frothy.
Right.
What kind of smoke you use?
Well, like the smoker now, some people, when them put this stuff in the smoker, them use cardboard box or, you know, some little stick or all of that. But like the best to get a quality honey and good tasting, me use the lemongrass with orange peel, or me use the mint or the cinnamon leaf, because
They come like you give them treatment for corona though. Lemongrass and cinnamon.
because even right now when we get the call there, you know, some people are calling about honey chicken juice, because as what you say, as what I say, the quality of your things and how you put the things together.
So peeps,
Yeah.
Mr. Minot, I deal with business. Contact Mr. Minot for what you need in and around St. Thomas. And you have a transportation, right?
Yeah, man.
So in mobile, him can deliver also. Number is gonna be on screen again. Repeat the number again.
416-76-58. That's 416-76-58.
Alright. So peeps, blessings and thank you again for joining us. This was Mr. Minot, organic farmer of St. Thomas. Part of St. Thomas, by the way, I never asked you that.
License.
What's your license?
What them call it, back road, around Nottingham Road.
My family of Akasha Road.
Okay. Who are your family?
Derek.
Yeah, peeps, so Trevor just gets sting. Bees lick him. You want to see me a box bees out of my head? Wrong thing me I do.
Anytime you do that, man, you're
Yeah.
And then I follow you.
man with me at the morning, you know. Yeah, man.
And them thing here too?
Yeah, man. Yeah, right.
Yeah, no.
That's a nice day, man.
Guys, I'm looking at you all that, Trevor. One time? Oh. I watched them. They backed me up over Mount Ida one time.
Yeah.
Oh, no pass the car up there.
Yeah?
No pass the car up there.
Around, so.
Oh.
Around that side of the road.
Okay. Yeah, man, so bless up, you know, and give thanks, you know. And listen out for people call you. Because, as I tell you, a lot of people watch your video them.
Yeah, man, the road so bad. I have trailer for the tractor.
Oh, you can't bring it.
Can't put it on because the road
bad.
bad. You understand? So, like when we harvest my thing, I some me have to pack it up and I some me have to drive with the things them on the steering back up, you know. So I can show you say the government needs to do more.
More, really,
If
more.
them a talk about farming. You see me I say?
True.
I have this now. And me produce. I give me problems same way to come on the road. Because the road. And most of the fixing where you say come down to the cemetery. And this me have to use and draw stone and fix. Me draw stone with a 2 tractor body until them mash up. And it just say one big one out there so, and then one next one down there so.
Oh, yeah, red tractor body around there, so.
Huh?
A red tractor body around
Right.
there, so.
Yeah, man, a stone me draw with it, man, for ballast road, man.
Yeah,
For ballast the road to come down to the cemetery.
you know.
You see me? And the government are charged for bury. And them now come and look about the road and even put a tank in the cemetery. So
But
if
people can't
you
use it, them
come
have
down
big grave
to
and
use
them
it,
thing
you can even a sanitary.
Restroom over there.
No, you see me I deal with. So at the same tractor here, we have to use carry the black, carry the cement, carry water, wet sand, when nothing can come down. You see me I deal with. So the time when me is spending on my farm, me have to help out the community. You see me I
Well,
deal
you do a good thing still, you know.
Yeah.
And wouldn't tell us stop. Continue.
with, you know.
Continue, because sometimes I just we have to do it.
You see me?
Alright?
Yeah, man.
So, have a wonderful day, no, Mr. Minor.
Yeah, man.
You see it? And bless up in us, okay?
Yeah.
Alright? Take care.
I get lost inside my thoughts, and when I start to think, oh, the time how close it starts to end up on the brink. I tried so hard, but all these scars, they cut so deep I bleed. I I fell so fast from heaven. It's like someone clipped my wings. Now I'm falling and I can't see the ground. Can we stop this gravity? It keeps bringing me down. I can't breathe and I don't wanna die. Can we stop this gravity?
Kill. Come on. Trevor said a big one there one still. After I don't eat half piece, the next one already, you know. But yeah, man, that's on way I go back out of the vehicle. Yeah, we have to chop it. Yeah, peeps, so that's on way I go back out the road. Yeah, peeps, so this is how the Fonthill River fording or the Fonthill River Bridge is right now. Don't catch there. Made recently. Now stop and show this. Yeah, peeps, we're back at the Fonthill fording and I'm about to show you how the bridge is looking now after the flooding and all of that. I'll show you a clip on the screen right over here with how it did steer before. This is it. I'm going to show now it's steer now. Alright, that's where we normally drive through, peeps. This is the Fonthill bridge now. So this is the bridge that we've got now, and so far that work. For the road, peeps, the road need to be fixed. Yeah, because like I saw the road steer. So yeah, peeps, for those who wanted to see how that is, that's how it's steer.
Blessings again, guys, and thank you for joining me. It was really a pleasure having you here. If you got this far in the video, type the word honey in the comment section below. And until then, just y'all stay blessed.